মূঢ় হি ধনাগম তৃষ্ণাং কুরু সদ্বুদ্ধিং মনসি বিতৃষ্ণাম জল্লভসে নিজ কর্ম পাত্যং বিত্তং তেন বিনোদয় চিত্তম। In Dadosh Panjarika or Moho Mudgar, Acharya Shankar advised in 12 mantras to get rid of our obsession or moho from worldly temptations and to seek the blessings from holy company in the form of Guru, to practice spiritual austerity and discrimination, to know thyself or Atma-Jnana, to practice presence of God in everything around us as our very own existence into the creation around. In this translation, that is not word for word from Sanskrit to English, but only the core meaning of each 12 mantras. After reading out the English rendition, I shall also read the original 12 mantras in Sanskrit. Now I start reading the translation as I have told, not word for word, but only a free translation to express the core meaning of each mantra. Number 1. Be satisfied only from the earnings from your own efforts. 2. Hoarding money is the source of evils. 3. Ask yourselves from where you have come and who is your very own. Number 4. Enter into the realm of Almighty, giving up your boastfulness on any wealth, for all are transitory. Number 5. Leave all 6 enemy or ripu and seek only to know who you are, lest you be fallen to point of no return. Number 6. Only renouncement, tyaga, brings peace unlimited. Number 6. Again I am reading. Only renunciation brings peace unlimited. Number 7. If you want lotus feet of Lord, then be the witness to sameness in everything. Number 8. See everywhere, in everything, only God exists, and get rid of any feel of differences. Number 9, practice austerity and tapasya, the holiness in remembering God and God alone, and practice of discrimination. Number 10, life is transitory, like the water drop on lotus leaf. Failing in this truth makes man live in attachments. Number 11, is there not anyone to guide you, to teach how to get rid of the birth-death cycle? Number 12, see God in your very heart, taking the blessings of your Guru, the holy guide, in holy company. Number 13, unless one is able to discriminate and know the divine facts in the above 12 mantras, one suffers endlessly. So here Moha Mudgar ends in English meaning. Now I am reading the original Dadosh Panjarika or Moha Mudgar in Sanskrit. Mudha jahihi dhanagama trishnang kuru sadduddhing manosi vitrishnam jalla bhase nija karma pattam vittam teno vinodaya chittam. That was number 1. Then number 2, artham namartham bhavaya nityam nasti tato sukhalesha satyam putradapi dhano bhajang bhiti sarvatresha vihita nitihi. Number 3, kate kanta kaste putra sangsaro hayo mativa vichitraha kasya twang ka kuto ayat stat tat chintaya jadidang bhrataha ma kuru dhanajana jauvana garbam harati nimeshat kalo sarvam maya mayo mido makhilang hitva brahma padang pravishashu viditva. That was 4. Now number 5, kamam krodham lobham moham त्यक्त्वात्मं भावयो कोहम आत्मज्ञानो विहीनं मूढ़ास्ते पचान्ते नरको निगुराहा. Number 6, सुरो मंदिरो तरुमूलो निवासं शज्जा भूतलो मजिनं वासः सर्व परिग्रह भोग त्यागः कस्य सुखं न करोति विरागः. Number 7, शत्रु मित्रे पुत्रे बंधो मा कुरु जत्नं विग्रह संदं भवो समचित्तः सर्वत्र त्वं मांझस्य चिराद जोधि विष्णु Vishnuttam. Number 8. Toi mohi channatroiko Vishnu Bertham Kupposhi Mojja Sohishnuhu Sarvasminnoti Pasyatmanam Sarvatra Trijo Vedo Gyanam. Number 9. Pranayamam Prattaharam Nitta Nitto Viveko Vicharam Jappo Sameto Samadhi Vidhanam Kurbo Bodhanam Mahodo Bodhanam. Number 10. Nolini Dologato Solilo Taralam Tadbajji Bito Moti Shaya Chapalam Vidhi Badho Bhi Manograstham Lokam Shoko Hatancha Samastam Ka Te Hasta Dasodeshe Chinta Batulo Taboking Nasti Niyanta Jastam Haste Sudriho Nibaddham Bodhayati Prabhavati Viruddham Guru Charanambuja Nirbhara Bhaktaha Sangsarado Chirad Bhava Muktaha Sendriyo Manasa Niyama Devam Drakshasi Nija Hridayastang Devam. Number 13. Dadosho Panjarika Mayo Esha Shishyanang Kathita Hupo Deshaha Jeshang Chitte Noibo Vivekaste Pachante Narako Manekam. Om Sri Ramakrishna Arpano Mastu.